Anyone can answer my question? Unmute your mic and then reply, please. Can you see the screen properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you do 4, 5, 6 quickly and just write down the answer in your chat box? I'm giving you 2 minutes of a time. As soon as you can do and finalize the answer, do let me know. I'm just waiting. All right. Am I clear to my instructions? If you are confused in this question number 4, do let me know. How many are just feeling difficulty in solving question number 4? Alright, I'm going to show you the answers now. You just look into your question, your solution, and compare your solution with my solution, right? Is your answer of 4 is 16? Yes. And 5, 1 is 1 over 9. And 6 is 1 over 27. If your three of the questions solution is 100% correct, put a tick on a left hand side and give yourself a shining star quickly. So take the picture of this slide so that I can proceed to the next. Take the picture quickly. Can you see the screen now? Can you see the screen now? Class, am I audible to you? Can you see the title slide?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
it's visible.
All right. What is that? What is the title slide? Is it a
Standard
standard
form.
form? Okay.
Standard.
So,
Standard
all
form.
right. Okay. Standard form. Can anyone tell me what is the use of standard form? and you might have done in your previous class. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir, standard form is a way of writing bigger numbers or extremely small numbers.
An
Yes,
easy way.
yes, excellent. Yes, you are correct. Actually,
Standard form is also known as scientific notation.
all right. So if you're talking about the standard form, which is very much useful to convert a larger number and to write the larger number in a standard form, and this can be done just because of to put the particular figure in that calculator, right? So that we'll be able to calculate the figure. For example, if you're talking about the distance to the sun, it is very difficult to write a long figure number, all right, or to calculate the number by multiplying it or by dividing the number with any other value. So you'll be able to write the standard form. So if you look into the width of an electron, which is in meters, is quite so long, all right, having a decimal. So here we need we could write the distance to the sun as 149.6 billion kilometer. But yes, we obviously can't write words like billion on our calculator, and there is no such words for small numbers. So we need some standardized way to representing big and small numbers that make them easy to use in calculations. So right now, let me tell you the standard form. And the standard form is always can be written like a times 10 power b, right? And let me point out, uh, just hold on. Okay, can you see the screen? Is my screen is visible? Can you see the screen properly?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, the topic is, what am I writing right now? What I'm writing on the screen?
Standard form. Standard form. Date and topic.
Okay, so the standard form. The standard form is like very important things for standard form is you need to understand, right? First of all, if I'm going to write like a times 10 power n, n is a integer, n represents here the integer, got it? And you have to write in standard form, the base always is a common, which is 10, right? And a is the placement of a number, like the condition for a is 1 less than equals to a and must be less than equals to 9. So that means 1, 2, 3 till 9 you are allowed to write in a standard form. Otherwise, your 0 is not allowed. This is very, very important condition. And let me take another color for you. And see, this plays very important role. This plays an important role. This plays a very important role. and this plays a very important role. Okay, these three general forms, the generic expressions, plays important role to understand the concept of standard form. All right, and now let me teach you the example of standard form. So you have to just note down these three things. Meanwhile, I have to give you more examples to make you more clear for this. So let me, okay, let me tell you one thing. If you are writing, for example, 23, can you see this the number which I have written 23? This 23 is right now in the form of ordinary form. This is known as your ordinary form. Got it? And once this ordinary form is going to be converted into standard form, how do you do it? There are some principle for to converting this ordinary form into standard form. First of all, you need to write like step number one is to write like 23.0, because if you are going to write any value, so every value is always can be written as, if I'm writing 1, if I'm writing 1, it's not 1, it's 1.0 actually. This is as per need. If we required a decimal value, placement, we reflect the decimal. Otherwise, it's not necessary. The way the plus sign is invisible. If you just see, we cannot write always plus one. If I'm writing two, it's not necessary for me to write plus two. And if I ask from you that this two is of plus or minus, you definitely say that this is of plus, because its sign is invisible, but this is considered as a two, a positive two. Got it? With a similar case study, it's not only 23, but 23.0. Got it? Now, the next step is to jump this decimal. Now, you have to play a jumping game. So, from right to left. So, you have to jump the decimal from right to left. If you're going to jump right to left, you always remember one thing. You will find the power positive. You always find the power positive. Okay. Can you see the screen properly? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you just look into this. If I'm going to jump, how many times do I jump? I need to jump only one. Why I need to jump this decimal only one? Because I know that I want this has to be 2.3. Okay. 2.3, since I have jumped only one, so I have to write 10 power 1. Why have I not jumped two decimal places? Because if I could have jumped like 23.0 is written, let me take another color to give you more example. If for example, if I could have taken, let's say, let me take the color. Okay, if I could have taken this 223.0 is the ordinary number. If I have jumped two decimal places, one and two decimal places, right? Now, if I'm going to jump two decimal places, this will become 0.23. So, according to this, 0.23 is going to be written as 0.23 times 10 power 2. All right. So, kindly just concentrate on this example. All right. This is not fulfilling the requirement of these 3 points. I mean, okay, I can find out a the value. I can see the 10 power n, yes, but a does not equals to 0. This is very, very important. A does not equals to 0. See, here there is a problem with this statement. You cannot jump two decimal places because you want to jump only one decimal place because this is fulfilling. Just look into this statement. This is actually fulfilling this, and this is correct. This is correct. Okay, and this is wrong. This is actually wrong. So why this is said to be wrong? Because this is not fulfilling the condition. So I hope that you have got the concept. Like I have to give you more examples. Let me give you more example if you would like to. Okay, can you just take the picture right now?
Sir, can I ask you one question?
You can ask question. Yes, please. Yes, you can ask question, please.
Sir, we have to is
Can you repeat your question? First of all, take a screenshot or a picture right now so that I'll proceed to the next. Can you see the screen?
yes, sir.
Yes, who was asking the question? Someone has said that then she needs to ask question.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Sir, I want one question that can we say it like that we put in the real numbers after zero?
Actually, there is a distortion while you. Can you repeat your question? Okay, sorry, I can't hear your question properly. Can you see the screen? See, I'm going to give you the example. So let's say if I'm going to write 0.023. See, this is written in a ordinary form. This is written in an ordinary form. So to make it in a standard form, how do you do it? You need to just now this time you have to jump. You need to jump the decimal from any guess?
Sir, to
Decimal
the right.
from left left to right. From left to right. Okay. All right. Now, if you're going to jump 0.023, 3. Let's see, I won't jump till here. I have to jump 1. If I'm going to jump here, I will get 0.023, which is against false according to the condition of standard form, that a must not be equal, does not equals to 0. So that's the reason it's not applicable. Again, I have to jump once again. Not only this, but here. Now I can see this is going to be your 2.3, 2.3 multiplied by 10 power. How many jumps I have done? I have done with 2 jumps. So I have to write -2, -2 this time. So jump the decimal from left to right, you will find the power negative. Okay, you will find the power negative. Just understand the concept. When you move your decimal from left to right, you always write the power negative. Okay, this is very, very important point which I am mentioning right now. Okay, so now I have to give you one more example. This is the example which I have quoted to you. Now, 2, 3 more examples to make you more strong in this area. Now, let me give you another example. Example number 2. Now, this is your time to participate for this question. First of all, tell me which form is this? Which form is this? Can you tell me which form is this? This 21 is written in which form?
Ordinary form.
Okay, to make it standard form, how do you do it? What is the answer?
2.1 into 10.
Power 1.
2.1 into 10 power positive 1. Correct answer. Okay, example number 2 or example number 3. All right. So let me ask from you example number 3 is 7, 7 and 7. Now, what is the answer?
7.7.
Sir, 7.77 into 10 raised to the power 2.
7.77 multiplied by 10.
Excellent. Very well done. Example number 4. Now be alert. 0.1. What is the answer?
Sir, 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 1.
1 into 10 raised to the power minus 1. Excellent answer. Marvelous. Now you all have to take the picture quickly and I will proceed to the next now. Take the picture and you have to maintain the notes and you have to write down, ink out the work in your maths journal afterwards, and I'm counting till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done?
Done.
Okay. Now next is all right. Now next is this. Can you tell me Which one is bigger? The left one or right one?
Sir, the left one.
Left one.
Left one.
So according to you, it's the left one is the bigger one, right? And may I know the reason behind?
The first one is the bigger
Four
one.
zeros.
Your answer is correct, but may I know the reason behind?
Zeros.
Yes, excellent. Yes, because of you just see the index number, that is the rest to the power 14. Compare with this 14 with the 13, right? So 10 power 14 is bigger than 10 power 13. So now I want you to just put the following in ascending order. Come on. If I'm going to name this, let's say, okay, you have to do it now. I'm just giving you 1 minute, not more than that. Okay, take 2 minutes. No problem. Take 2 minutes to do this.
Done.
All right. What is the answer? What comes in the first rectangle?
3 into 10 power 7.
Okay, according to you is this. Who is this? What's your name?
Zoya.
According to Zoya, 3. All right. Anyone else? Yes. Any other student?
In
Come
the
on.
second one, it will come 4 into 10 power 7.
4 into 10 power 7 comes in next rectangle according to you.
Yes, sir.
Is it Zoya?
Yes.
Okay, still Zoya has responded. Now I'm just looking for the students. Maximum students can participate in my class as I told you. And since you are not doing it, the class is already is on recording. Everything is noticeable. And then now, uh, let's see. Okay, what is the next?
Sir, in the third rectangle,
2
2
into 10
into
power
10
8.
raised to power 8.
According to you, who is this?
2 into 10
What's,
power 8.
what's your name?
Zoya.
Aliza.
Aliza.
Khatija.
Okay. Aliza has responded this.
Miss,
Aliza,
sir,
along with
three of
you.
us have responded it.
3 of us have responded together.
Aliza and who else was?
Khatija and Zoya.
Khadija and Zoya. Zoya, it's your day. Everywhere Zoya, Zoya and Zoya. Okay, now last is definitely according to you is this. Okay, now I'm going to reveal the answer. You all have to understand. Okay, so here we go. The Zoya is correct. Again, Zoya is correct. Aliza, Khadija, Zoya, three are all three are correct. And yes, this is I have responded, right? Anyways, so make sure your concept is clear of ordering the numbers in standard form. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you quickly, can you just tell me in now I'm going to test your knowledge. See in in exercise number 1, which country has the smallest population? Let me see who is going to answer first. I will definitely going to raise the name of the student and I'll write the name and will give the star, right? If your answer is going to get correct. Let's see who is going
Sir,
to answer
Ethiopia.
now.
Ethiopia.
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 Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Just tell me the answer of A part.
Ethiopia.
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 Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir.
Just hold on. All right. Just do let me know the answer of. I'm going to show you the answer of A and B part, right? So you just tell me how many have done correct, 100%.
Sir, I got correct.
Sir, I've done correct.
Okay, that's good. Who is this?
Hijab.
Aliza.
Hijab. All right, Hijab.
I have
Very
done
well done.
correct.
Okay, those who have done correct, uh, definitely they deserve this shining star. And just give yourself a shining star, a small tick on the left hand side. And yes, for question number 2, how many have done 100% correct?
I have done correct.
Because
Sir,
this
done.
gives you the
Done.
this is the actual testing that you have done 100% correct. If your answer is coming correct, that means you have achieved the today's objective of the class. We'll continue from this slide. You have to make me remind for this, and inshallah ta'ala tomorrow we'll continue this. And is there any other question that you would like to ask related to the today's objectives?
Sir, can I ask you that from which book are we going to study?
See, right now I'm just giving you the concept of indices in standard form. You will find the standard indices in standard form is book 3 in 7th edition. Do you have book 3 with you, 7th edition right now in front of you?
Yes, sir.
Can you just see the index, open your book quickly and see your indices in standard form, the topic, and find out that topic in 7th edition, uh, book 3.
For indices in standard form is chapter 4.
Chapter 4, right? So you will find the relevant questions, all right, and you will do the extra practice if you would like to do it. Otherwise, I'm not restricting you to do the questions because this is the virtual situation going on. However, I used to give you the assignment directly to you guys to submit through Microsoft Teams, maybe, or maybe through WhatsApp. But yes, if I definitely going to ask from you that you have to perform the task using your textbooks, then you have to do it. All right. So otherwise, and now you know that it's from book 3, chapter number 4, and take the selected questions which you think that's relevant to my lecture and try to solve it, and you'll be able to see the answers as well and feel happiness. Right? Clear?
Yes,
Am I
yes,
clear?
sir.
All right. Okay. So right now, just signing off time is it's almost 1:06. So it's time to sign off. So inshallah, I'll be posting a feedback form over the WhatsApp group, and inshallah, I'll see you in the next class. Right? Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz of you.